Hello viewers and subscribers, it's DJ CD King once here again today, and I'm here with a brand new recording. Upcoming artist go by the name of Lexikhan, and he is hot in the city, international and local. But before I even go further, remember to like and subscribe DJ CD King YouTube channel to see new videos and new topics. I'm gonna take a break and I'll be right back. Welcome back viewers, it's a pleasure to have you here today live on Yaad Vibes TV, and I'm here with the big artist Lexikhan live on the block.
Beleng! Do the thing though.
You know what I mean?
Yeah man, we there chill back in a Yaad Vibes. You know, it's something good man.
Straight.
Yeah man.
Yeah man, so Lexikhan,
yes bro.
Before me even ask you a couple of questions,
yeah,
just introduce yourself.
Hail up viewers, what or not? You know, a Beleng of the sound, you know what I mean?
Straight.
Lexikhan this out at Ochi race, you know, Ochi our place. You know what I mean? Yeah man. Start the process in a Kingston, you know, down a Union gear and this so. But you know, traverse go Ochi from this so. That's how we live.
Straight.
You know what I mean? St. Mary High School, Brownstone Community College. You know there's something was said?
Same.
Yeah man.
Straight
yeah,
up.
Man. Straight up.
So early on backstage, I let me know you have a changes with your name.
Yeah bro. Yeah,
different from Lexikhan, yeah?
Yeah.
So you can let the viewers them know why your new name.
Well, you know viewers, we give one name but different. You see what I say? We give one name Zero, because we used to our next brother in the game name Lexikhan, and we say we don't want no confusion, yeah. Who is who, so our thing that Zero, like when you see the shades them around, a zero right there now, and a lot of people ask why Zero, because you only need to understand, 0 is the most powerful number. See what I say? Depends on which side. When 0 stand up in the middle, you know, you decide which side you want to go for. You go to the right side, you want to go to the left side. You go and increase or decrease yourself. You know, it's something go? Yeah, man. So it's a 0. And everybody thinking 0. You know, there's something go? Yeah, man.
Yeah, because I was just about to ask you how you discover by the name the Zero.
Yeah.
You get me?
Yeah, man.
But Lexikhan, tell me something, yeah? At what age you discover music within yourself?
I tell you the honest truth, I don't know if I me discover the music. In fact, as far as I'm concerned, I think the music discover me, because just like how you see we slow right on them chair,
yeah.
I saw my auntie them used to put type on some water buckle and make us sing some song to them, you know what I mean? Yeah man, and all through church, Sunday school and them something, you know. Spiritual background said we always sing for the little Sunday school.
Yeah, no, that Sunday school something there.
Yeah man, yeah.
You see?
Yeah.
But at a different level still, see?
Yeah.
How long have you been doing music professionally?
Music professionally, we are say boy at 12 years now, you know.
Wow.
Yeah man, it's a good while we are doing it, man. Good while we are doing it. Good stretch, you know what I mean? Yeah man, we never give up. Because music never give up on we it stays.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
True.
Because it's a passion, it's not a job, it's a passion.
Yeah.
So when you do it as a job, it's a different, you get frustrated. But once it is in you, it's a passion, that it in itself is a driving force.
Straight.
It energizes itself.
When you have it the both ways.
Yeah bro.
So you come like physical and spiritual.
Yes bro.
So you have the music, you love it passionately.
Yes bro.
And you do it as a job.
Yes
as
bro.
well.
Yes
so
bro.
you get that more compact outside.
Yeah.
Straight up, real talk though.
Yeah.
So what inspired to do music?
Well, you know what I say, music in itself is an inspiration, but you have to get energy and inspiration from your fellow humans them around, you know what I mean? So when you hear the generals them who gone before or who still stand up right, so who sing them song, and them song they live on, and the song them actually mean something to you, it actually bring out a form of melody, and then you begin to build on that melody, you know what I mean, until it become a song, you know what I mean?
That is so true.
Yeah.
So as you said that, yeah, who you idolize as in a musician? Who you idol?
Alright. I'm going to tell you the honest truth. I say big up to all of the generals in the business. See,
straight
I will learn from every general, you know, rate every general who set the pace in reggae music and dancehall.
Yeah.
You know, we love Michael Jackson. Well, I guess the whole world love Michael Jackson. See what I say? We love Beanie Man. I'm going to tell you the honest truth.
Straight up. Shout out to
we love Bounty Killer. See, you understand what I say? We love Vada. Saying, love Vibes Cartel, said that. See what I say? We love Assassin, said that. So, Holy Pot General, Busy Signal, Capitan, Sizzler, we love them, man. So, we draw inspiration, Spragga Benz, we draw inspiration from all of them. Yeah,
Only for big artists we have.
But I'm going to tell you one next name where enough people might not say, but it's a Tommy Lee.
Yeah.
Love Tommy Lee.
God, man.
Dog, man. Better.
Talking about Tommy Lee, you see Tommy Lee as one of the best stage performers. Artists, no.
Right now? You want to say one of?
You get me?
But I say best.
Alright then.
Right.
Have it right there, so you see it? Alright, because trust me, no matter which big artist just come off our stage, when Tommy Lee go on, you have a different vibe with the crowd when he come on to performance.
Yeah, man.
We love that. Shout out to Tommy Lee.
Yeah, man.
Big up yourself, Tommy Lee.
Yeah, man.
Freedom soon. You see me? Straight up.
Well,
So, big artist, Zro.
Yeah,
I can't say Lexikhan again.
Zero, man.
Straight Zro the thing there. So, Zro. Where have you ever performed? Like, you know, stage show? You can tell me a couple of
well, we go Sting.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? We go fully loaded. We go only for major stuff. Only for seafood festival. When you come on to the north coast, the must have we run down the side. So all of them the show that we lock them places. We never go some places, you know. We dream to go some places, you know what I mean?
True.
But we go other countries, you know, we travel the USA.
Yeah.
Yeah. We travel Trinidad and we travel Barbados, said we.
Wow.
You know what I mean? Yeah. Go
So
couple states in the USA, said we, you know.
A couple streams, you go up and
Yeah,
stream
man.
the
Couple
music.
streets. Yeah,
You
man.
see that?
Yeah, man. For real, man.
Big up, man.
Yes,
Yes, man.
man. For
Nothing
real, man.
shake it to the
Nothing
music.
shake it, no, bro.
Yeah, do the work out there. So
Yeah, man.
when you go out there, you buck up on any affiliates, other artists.
Yeah, man, we only for artists to buck up on.
Yeah.
Right now, I tell you the honest truth, first time I touching a Georgia, I'm buck up on Christianity. I said to myself, say, at the last man, this me expect to buck up on. I go our next club named Club Vibes, and
Yeah.
I tell you the honest truth, the artists them me, the man them when even hear the music no more. Them me go buck up
You
on
go
the
buck up
club
on-
over there, say,
and
yeah man.
them on
Anthony
tour.
Red Rose, bag of man we go buck Ghosts, a bag of man we go buck up on over there, brother. Bag of man over there. Cause I realize say, me go hear Beenie Man and Bounty Killer with some songs of Georgia with me. Me know half of Jamaica never hear it.
Never hear yet.
Believe me.
Different
See,
market to the
market,
music.
The market is big.
True, because you have different set of producer within the music
Right.
worldwide.
Right.
Where we
right.
take an album from you
Yeah.
and different other artists same way
True,
and put
true.
it out
Different
different
platform.
places.
True.
Right
true.
there, isn't it?
Yeah, man.
So out of all your stage show them where you perform, yeah? Which stage show to you are the best?
Most
Your favorite
memorable.
venue? Yeah.
I will tell you the
Yeah.
truth. You know, say it's fully loaded.
Fully loaded. Dark up something.
That one fully loaded, and I tell you, I'm skitty at the MC, you know, brother. I tell you, you know. I say, when I see a crowd in front of me, you know, I tell you, truth, knee shake. Because as far as I can see, a beat head. Saying, and nobody never know with them time, so. But the forward, I'm skitty give with the introduction to the stage is like, oh, one.
Oh
And
God.
when you're looking at the stage where I say, being a man, where I say, bury someone, them, a whole heap of people see a fully loaded crowd that stand up where I say, be a big artist in front of you, and I tell
Be
you
a
the truth.
big
Yeah,
artist.
man, nervous, man, but them times the way I spit fast, like how you hear Cartel come with, look come on, do come on.
Yeah.
So I say, get a beat, I speak lines and see the place just that tear up, so I say, what? Alright, I feel ground now, Zro.
Straight up.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, man, that sounds great.
Yeah, right.
It have been music, get joy, verse
Yes,
when you
man.
have a passion fit,
Yes, man.
and it smooth everybody's soul and their mind, same way, don't it?
True.
But anyway, Zro, before we go, one more question I'm gonna ask you, yeah?
Yeah.
Where you see yourself? You're a big artist. So I'm gonna say, where you see yourself the next 4 year time from now within the music business?
Alright, you see this? Zro, we come for Zro, we're going, you know.
Straight.
So we don't really come to play with music right now.
Straight
You can
up.
hear it in the kind of song that we are sing right now. Some different kind of metaphors you have to hear.
Yeah?
You don't have to hear your regular metaphors. You know what I mean? We're used to.
Yeah.
I don't know nothing like that. And the same everyday melody you have. You know what I mean?
See, I work
So
for the time.
we get this, you know, we're on now. See? London, look out, because we are forward over your place soon. You know?
Straight. I see me, I love that still, you get me? More energy, you know time new, so you know modern time, universal, so you set universal within the music to see me.
Yeah, man.
But anyways, before we go, I want to give the viewers them a little entertainment, you get me?
Yeah.
Give them one of your hottest song right now, tear up the platform there.
Money Lifestyle, you know. Check it out on YouTube, Audio Mac, and all of the social media platforms. Them. The video is out, the one hot. They on all of the DJ Kenny, Dan Kingston, Overdose out of Ochi CD, Johnny, saying Bobby Candace a play this, Shawnee B a play this, Tim West a play this. You see what I say? So this I want to up and loud. Money are the meds, yeah. Without money it's like you're dead, yeah. Some roll with money every day, so we spread with bed, yeah. Sky topper, man I ball like my eyes them, and I make money fall like my eyes red. Think tough, tall like the ice grade. Girl I crawl and I ball for the size 10, yeah. Check my lifestyle, any girl me want like me is a spoiled child. Radius global, on a 5 mile. Garbage money, say me spending spoil Kyle. Roll out the car wash, team load thing big, yeah, we want the car wash. Get a quick clean, spend the fast cash, liquor start splash. Y'all ask her the boss that, or the bank that, on the chain goal, with the ice freeze up in my ears hole. Bad mind still a priest, so me stay cool. Charlestown rock a best to steer town. Is a money lifestyle with a fear clown. Yeah, we own the bank, get a bail out. Violate, see your brain start sail out. London, New York, Jamaican, make me hear ya. You know the something got, money lifestyle.
Man, see what you say, you see me, I say,
bro.
you can just make a couple shout outs still to who you want shout out still, you see me?
Shout out to my first lady, you know, my son, you know, there's something go. Shout out to my kids, them. Yeah, man. Shout out to my ladies, said we.
Straight up.
Yeah, man. Shout out to all the people who support Lexikhan over the years. The world zero now, you dig? Yeah, man.
Zero.
Big up Sky Topper Records.
Oh.
Big up the Brimmer himself.
Oh.
Yaad Vibes TV.
Respect and
Yes,
big
man.
up yourself, see me, you hear that?
Lessons, bro.
It was a pleasure having you here today, man.
Yes, bro.
Hope
Pleasure
to
as
have you
well.
next time again. You
Yes,
get me?
bro.
Live
Yes,
on the Yaad Vibes
Yes, bro.
platform, you see me? Anyways, viewers and subscribers, it was a pleasure having you here today. Next time we see you live on the Yaad Vibes channel. And remember to like and subscribe DJ CD King to see new videos and new topics. I'll see you next time.
Sky Topper. Berlin world. Money are the meds, yeah. Without money's like a dead, yeah. Some will roll with money every day, so we spread with bed, yeah. Sky Topper. Berlin. Man, I ball like my eyes them, and I make money fall like my eyes red. Think tough, tall like the ice grade. Girl a curl and the ball for the size 10, yeah. Check my lifestyle, and the girl me want like me is a spoiled child. Radius global, on a 5 mile. Garbage money, so me spend it spoil Kyle. Roll out the car wash, thing loud, thing big, yeah, we own the car wash. Get a quick clean, spend the fast cash, liquor start splash. Girl ask her the boss that, or the bank that. I'm a chain goal, with the ice freeze up in the ears hole. Bad mind still a priest, so me stay cool. Charlestown rock a best to steer town. It's a money lifestyle with the fear cloud. Yeah, we own the bank, get your bail out. Violate, see your brain start sail out. London, New York, Jamaican, make me hear ya. Man, I ball like my eyes them, and I make